Oh crap, didn't work that time. Hold on. Usually I'm just really tired. My stomach's upset. Usually I can burp a lot longer. I'll make another video of me burping to see how many hits I get. Hold on. One more try. Yeah, it ain't gonna work tonight. Comment. Sorry about that. Here's a magic trick. It's not even really a magic trick. I'm just bored. I'm gonna give it one last shot. If it don't work, I'll make a new one. Oh, that was a pretty big one. Well, I'll even try it again tomorrow or something when I get home from school. Subscribe if rate good too. Hey, there was another okay one. Yes, I know I need to get a life. Well, you should too for watching burping videos. If you say I should get a life. No spamming comments though, please. Peace.